everyone, welcome back to Designing Drea. I'm Drea, and today we're looking at the July Kinder Beauty Box. I know I'm a bit late with this video. This summer was so crazy. Everything that could break did break. And then, getting the kids back to school because mine actually went back on August 1st. So dealing with all the back to school stuff and all of that. So we're just going to do it today instead, and later this week. I know I had said last month that I was doing it, but like I said, life got in the way, and I actually have a schedule set. Next Monday, I'm going to post a video about my my hospital experience and donating blood. Well, not me donating blood, but other people donating blood to me, and it's really important, and I'm just going to have a whole video on that next Monday, okay? But for today, we're just going to open the July Kinder Beauty Box. Okay, first things first, we have our little envelope that tells us everything that's in here. So the first thing we have is the Clay Bright White toothpaste. Ooh, non-fluoride. My husband is not going to enjoy this. I might give it a try though. It is worth $7.49. It contains water, silica, or silicate, xylitol, glycerin, calcium phosphates, some kaolin clay, baking soda, sorbitol, calcium morolonite, cellulose gum, aloe vera, green tea extract, menthol, peppermint oil, spearmint oil. Okay, cool. So it's got xylitol, green tea extract. It's supposed to whiten teeth, heal gums, control cavities, and eliminate bad breath. So I will give this a try and see. My husband was wanting to use this when it came in too, but it doesn't have fluoride, and he really, really likes fluoride for healthy teeth, so he will probably not use this, but I will give it a try and tell you guys what I think. The second item goes along with that, actually, and is a bamboo toothbrush. So I actually will probably keep this for when I go traveling or something, having a nice clean toothbrush. And let's see. This toothbrush made from sustainable MOSO bamboo has soft PBA-free nylon bristles that are durable and have feathered tips that are safe for your gums and offer a deep cleaning in even the hardest to reach spaces between teeth. And this is worth $3.80. Yeah, so that is vegan and cruelty-free, just like everything in this box is, but yeah, it's from Koha Beauty, a bamboo toothbrush. Alright, let's see what this looks like. I mean, it probably just looks like your standard bamboo toothbrush, but yeah, okay, look, it is actually quite pretty. Here are the bristles. It says PBA-free nylon, and so we got the toothbrush. Let's see. The third item is something I'm actually very excited about. I saw is a lipstick from Folly Fire or Folly Fire in the shade Full House. That's supposed to be like a really bright red. So I'm really excited about this. I love bright, bold lipsticks, and they're not always easy to find in vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, why is this not opening up? All right, I'll just open it up from the bottom. That's fine. Oh, no, Full House is not a bright red. It's actually, it seems like it's more of a wine. Actually, I was fooled by the front of the box. But let's see. Ooh, that's nice too. Nice and vampy. Oh, there's a hair on it. Hopefully that's just from packaging and not anyone's actual hair, but okay, so that's a nice dark vampy red color. Let's try this. Ooh, I like that a lot actually. And I am not used to doing my makeup in this camera like this, but I'm not too bad at it, I think. Oh my god, I love this color. Yeah, please excuse my poor application of it, but as you can see, this is the color it turns out to be, at least on a really pale person. Oh my god, I love that. I'm probably using this all the time. Do not be surprised to find this in my next video. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this is the shade Full House from Folly Fire. Oh, it goes on really nice too, nice and creamy. Yeah, it seems like it would be fairly moisturizing. Let's see, it says it's a luxurious buildable formula. Okay, and you can repeat it for an ultra intense coverage, and this is usually $15. But yes, this I love. This I am definitely keeping. All right, let's see. The next item is Sensuals Natural and Organic Skincare 100% Natural Sleep Well Pillow and Room Mist. Let's see, what does this smell like? Yeah, this smells okay, actually. I might keep this one this month. I know that I'm very sensitive to a lot of scents, but this one seems okay. Let's see, what else in here? It's water, ylang ylang oil. I think that's how I'm saying it. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, let me know. Lavender oil, jasmine oil, sandalwood oil, vanilla fruit extract, clary sage oil, and Roman chamomile oil. Okay, so this is basically like tea in a bottle, I think. So yeah, this smells nice. I think I'm keeping this one. And this is usually $10.63. So this I am keeping. And let's see, the next item is the Timeless Organic Skincare CoQ10 Age Defying Lotion. And in here we have coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, oh, well, water first, and then coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, cetearyl alcohol, cocoa glucoside, shea butter, apricot kernel oil, aloe vera leaf juice powder, CoQ10. I keep hearing that, but I don't know exactly what it is, so if somebody knows exactly what that is, let me know. Tamanu seed oil, rosehip seed oil, sea buckthorn oil, vitamin E, lavender, vanilla, rose ether, and citric acid. Okay, if I can open this up, we'll see how that smells, or if I can even handle it on my skin. Oh, it must be, yeah, okay, it's sealed for my protection. Okay. I am not sure how I like this, actually. Yeah, I think... Okay, guys, you saw me open this. If you still want it as a giveaway item, let me know in the comments below. I think this will be my giveaway item if you can take that if you're okay with the fact that I took off the seal for your protection label. I promise the only little bit of lotion I got came off of this thing, not out of this bottle, so if you still want that, let me know below. It's Timeless Organic Skincare CoQ10 Age Defying Lotion. and it's usually $20 for this bottle, so this will be my giveaway this month, I suppose. Yeah, like it smells nice and all that, it's just I have very sensitive skin, so yeah, that'll go to my giveaway pile. And the last thing is Dr. Botanical's Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleep Mask. This is usually an $18 value, or $17.99 it says. And it is a Pomegranate Superfood Regenerative Sleeping Mask. So you put this on and then you wear this when you sleep, I guess. Apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening, allow the mask to sink into skin, and leave overnight. Cleanse as normal the following morning. Okay, cool. So I'm going to try this little thing. It says to use 2 to 3 times a week. So, yeah. I'll try that probably before the next video, and you can see. We'll see if it breaks out my skin. I have no idea. But, oh my god, I still am in love with this lipstick color. This is so nice, especially against my pale, pale skin. I feel, old school glamour. But, yeah, so that was the thing for this video. So allow me to tally up my math real quick. I'm gonna do it old school because my my phone is currently being used to do this video. So let's see, this $24 box is worth $7.49, $3.80, $15, $19.99, $10.63, and $17.99. And that's 27, it's 30, 7, 15, 24, 33, 39, 10, 13, 18, 27, 34, 3, 6, 8, 9. Okay, so the total value of our things today seems to come to $94.90. So it was a $95 value for this box. Yeah, so actually I am more impressed with this box than I thought I would be. I'm gonna give this a try. Personally, I'm not sure about it not having, it not having fluoride in it either, but you know, how long could this last realistically? It'll probably be like a travel toothpaste or something. So, which I'm actually traveling in about 6 weeks. My husband and I are gonna go on a little anniversary getaway when the kids are off on fall break staying with their grandma. So I'll take this then, and we'll see how well those work. Yeah, I'm going to try the rest of these things in between when I see you again, and I'll give you my actual opinion on them for a couple of uses or whatever. Obviously, I love this lipstick, but so definitely love that so far. You know my honest opinion of that. It still feels really nice on my lips. It makes my face pop. So, but yeah, so this thing is going to be the giveaway for this week. And speaking of giveaways, last month's giveaway, I had the Inika Loose Mineral Bronzer, and I had the Little Moon Essentials Tired Old Ass Mist. So, the winners of those are as follows. Blair Bonita won the bronzer, and Jindora the Explorer, hopefully I'm saying that right, won the mist. So congratulations, guys. Send me an email and I'll get these things out to you as soon as I can. I've had previous people not send me things, so like I still don't know how to get it to them. If you are one of the people who have not received your things, check and make sure you sent me an email. I can't get these to you if I don't know how. So, yeah, congratulations, Blair and Jindora. Just send me an email, and that would be dreadriver87@gmail.com or dreadriver@yahoo.com. I look forward to hearing from you guys. If you would like this Timeless Organics Timeless Skincare thing, Old Age Lotion, whatever it's called. If you would like this, please leave a comment and subscribe. I will pick one at random. That's all until Monday, guys. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.